is up, Web3 crew? Krista Tumun's right here at the Solana Crossroads, Istanbul, Turkey. And I am with beautiful Sam. How are you today?
I'm great, thank you. That's an amazing event. I'm having a fun time. How are you?
I'm good and happy to be part of this event. And is this your first time to attend Solana Crossroads?
Yeah, that is my first time. It's my first year, and it's actually my first crypto event here, like in my life. So I'm pretty excited.
So you flew in just for this event.
Yes.
Wow. She have a lot of crypto. No, I'm just kidding. Okay, so tell us a bit about yourself.
Okay, well, I am a marketer, and I'm doing the DevOps engineering courses, and I'm planning to change my profession to that, and hopefully find a job in crypto very soon. Yeah, that's...
Okay. Tell us more about Solana Crossroads. So how's the relationship between you and Solana Crossroads?
Well, Solana Crossroads is a very important conference in the crypto, and I realize it's a very good place to be here.
Yeah.
Like now, especially when Solana is going so far with these great projects, and yeah, that's very inspiring me. So,
Out of all the booths that you went in, what stand out to you most?
well, I really love the development stage.
Mm-hmm.
There's so many cool projects and so many amazing people. There's just a guy, B-Man, that was great speak. So yeah, that's amazing.
Okay. Do you have any expectations for today for Solana Crossroads?
Yes, I am gonna to find out more amazing projects, and there's definitely a bunch of interesting people, interesting companies here, and probably make more connections with them.
Thank you so much. Okay, do you have anything to promote or any social media platforms that you want us to follow you or anything?
Yes. If you want to, if you're into Solana, into tech, I'll be so happy to talk to you. So just follow me on my X account. It's sam.solana, sam.sol, and Twitter it's Saskaeva. That's pretty.
Okay.
Thank you so
It
much.
was nice meeting you, Sam. I have one last question.
Sure.
What do you think is the future of money?
The future of money is definitely in crypto. That's
Okay.
the only right questions for me right now.
Just out of curiosity, how long have you been in the crypto space?
Well, it's been more than about 5 years. Yeah, I've been trying to. I've been buying NFTs and coins in Binance and other platforms, Phantom, Soulflare. So yeah, it's just like just a user.
Thank you so much. And last, describe this event in one word.
Networking.
Thank you, Sam. I hope you get a lot of insights from her, and please do follow her. My name is Krista Two Moons, and more to come only here at FOMO, the future of money.